Good morning all. It is a nice quiet Wednesday morning. Quiet apart from my budgie Louis, who just likes the camera. I am all properly set up to do some potatoes, not potato reveals. I just scored this nice little wooden tray that can hold the potatoes. I was going to get a basket to put at the end of the wheelbarrow to put the potatoes in. I've even got a tripod with a camera on it, and we've got my potatoes up the top there. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of these potatoes. This one here is the one I'm going to harvest in a minute, purely because the leaves are just absolutely pretty much done. There is some green still in them, but I don't know, I don't think it's going to last much longer anyway. So this will probably be the next one. We've had a lot of wind and rain, and we're still getting shoots through and getting little bugs on them too, which might not be helping. So potato, strawberry. This one's an interesting one. This is one tiny potato about that big, and I've already put it out once and it had lots of roots coming out of it, so I thought I'll plant it again, see how that goes. This is a sweet potato. It's been in there for a while and it hasn't shot through yet. I'm guessing because I'm in Australia, we're in winter at the moment, it is going to be too cold for sweet potatoes. This is another one that is also looking pretty blemished on the leaves. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, really. Could be a number of things. Could be too cold. These are red potatoes, by the way. Yeah, just too cold, not enough watering. We just passed the 3-month mark in these pots, and they generally say on YouTube 90 to 120 days sort of mark for harvesting. We've got a cold north wind at the moment, so we're going to get some rain later on during the week, hopefully. So I'll leave these two here. So that one's going to be the one that I'm going to harvest. These are ripe potatoes, they're just popping through. This is another one. This one's got 5 potatoes in it. It's taken a while for it to shoot. I think there was another one over here, somewhere here, coming through slowly but surely. It's probably in the shade too much. It's probably half its problem. And that's a tomato. I planted some tomato seeds and we'll see. So without further ado, I'm going to harvest this potato pot. Wish me luck.